NEET, oftenly students make mistakes in this kind of questions. About few sample questions pertaining to reproductive health. Look at the first one. Which one of the following statements is correct? Progesterone, estrogen pills stop menstrual flow. Is it true? Actually, progesterone, estrogen pills stop follicle development. Hence, there is no chance of ovulation. Hence, no chance of pregnancy or conception. They are contraceptive pills, oral pills, taken from 5th to 21st day, you know that. So, this cannot be a correct statement. Menstrual flow is there. Waltz are intrauterine device made of rubber. Made of rubber, that is correct. But they are simply used as barriers, just like cervical caps. They prevent insemination. They are not intrauterine devices. IUDs are used to delay pregnancy and are safe, and or space children. Yes, this is the correct statement. IUDs are safe. There is reversibility. It means if those IUDs are removed from the uterus, there is chance of conception and pregnancy. Hence, this is the correct statement. Menstrual cycle begins normally after 1 month of delivery. Is it true? It may start after 4 to 6 months of delivery. There is lactational amenorrhea. During intense period of lactation, there is no chance of menstrual flow. Hence, there is no chance of conception. During pregnancy, there is no menstrual flow. Ovarian cycle stops. Hence, uterine changes also stop. Uterine cycle also stops. Okay. Next one. Test tube baby program involves. You should not be confused with this in vitro and in vivo. You will have confidence. Yes. Fertilization takes place in the test tube. We provide conditions which are similar to the fallopian tube. There is syngamy. That is in vitro. The zygote undergoes cleavage. 2 cells are formed, 4 cells are formed, 8 cells are formed, 16 cells are formed. Can this undergo embryogenesis in the test tube? No chance. Because implantation has to be in vivo. You know that implantation, you have studied that in the previous lesson. You are going to transfer this 8 to 16 celled developing stage to the uterus of biological mother or surrogate mother. So, fertilization is inside the test tube in vitro and development is in vivo. This is the correct answer. Look at this question. A female cannot produce secondary oocyte due to some infertility issues, hormonal imbalance or improper secretion of steroidal hormones from the ovary, etc. However, oviduct uterus appear to be normal. Which of the following ARTs, assisted reproductive technologies, can be recommended first? Obviously, the doctors can recommend this first. Gamete intrafallopian transfer. Ovum is transferred to the fallopian tube. Ovum collected from the donor would be transferred to the fallopian tube of actual mother. Yes. Fertilization takes place. Implantation takes place. Correct. But that mother is incapable of preparing secondary oocyte. So this is the correct option. This is another method. Zygote intrafallopian transfer. Then what is this? ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Direct transfer of the male gamete into the cytoplasm of the ovum. This is advanced technique. It's helpful in the conditions such as oligospermia, low sperm count. AI, artificial insemination. This cannot be recommended because there is no natural ovulation. First you have to do this gamete intrafallopian transfer. Look at this question. Consider statements A and B. MTPs are relatively safe during first trimester and unsafe during second trimester. There are lots of risks in the second trimester. Okay, it would be safe during first trimester. And you should also know the legal aspect of that. Okay. If pregnancy has this is correct statement, lasted more than 12 weeks, fewer than 24 weeks, two registered medical practitioners must give opinion for MTPs. Developing fetus has a serious type of genetic defect. Pregnancy has to be terminated. Otherwise, it will cause serious damage to the female or anyway developing fetus also. So in such cases, two registered medical practitioners must give opinion. You can find those legal aspects even in the Google. So statement A is correct, B is also correct. This is according to 2017 Act. Search this thing in Google. MTP Act 2017, and also this surrogacy bill. Act and amendment in India. Search this thing in Google. You can find the details of 2017 MTP Act in the new NCERT book. Okay, just try to solve this kind of questions in reproductive health. Okay, thank you.